Different. Today I'm just checking out this Pooluly men's ski jacket for snow play, snowboarding, whatever. This one has a it's nice and warm. It's got this kind of a fur lining in here. It's waterproof and breathable. It's warm. It's not like a sticky warm or like a warm where you like can't breathe, but it feels like there's some nice air circulation as well. You have Velcroable sleeve ends, so if you put them on over your gloves, and then you can tighten those down nicely. Also, we have a hood on the top here. The hoodette. Throw that on. This all buttons up right here. Zip this up as well, and also has buttons on there too, so it zips up nicely, and we can really kind of get ourselves all comfortable there. So it feels nice and warm, like it's going to keep you dry and warm and comfortable while you're doing your snow activities. So there you go. So yeah, it's a decent length too. It fits nicely. Like the arms, I have kind of a difficult frame to fit. Sometimes just kind of taller and slim or whatever. So a lot of times the sleeve lengths aren't correct or whatever. But this one has a decent length and everything. Nice, comfortable jacket. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a nice time. Have a nice time. Have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.